Hi there, this is Shane from PV Complete, and I'm here to tell you about our newest feature in Pvcad and Pvcad Mega, artificial intelligence. We've implemented artificial intelligence into Pvcad and Pvcad Mega to help give you more information on solar engineering, to help you learn Pvcad, and then also to help actually run commands for you within our software. Right now I'm working in Pvcad Mega's standard mode, and I'm going to show you two sample projects, a residential and a commercial project. This feature is also available in Pvcad Mega's utility scale mode and also in Pvcad. So what you'll see on the screen is our newest tab in the Pvcad window, the AI tab. This has a dialog box for your ongoing conversation with the AI, and then also has a question bar here to input questions or things you want to know from the AI. Any data that you share with our AI will be anonymized, but we also have the option to limit the amount of data that you're sharing with our AI. We have a couple sample prompts here for you that I'm just going to pick one of them, and it will populate in the question box, which is simply summarize this project. Pretty basic question, but again, really helpful to just get the top level information, and you can get it in seconds with our AI. So here you have the power, you have your DC to AC ratio, you have your azimuth, all kind of top level figures that you might want to pull out when you've completed your design, and you can get it really quick through our AI. I'm going to switch over to the commercial project here. And what you can see in this commercial project is that I've run the shading feature. So that's why the modules are highlighted yellow. You have a gradient on some of them. And then also I was working on this project before, and so you can see our chat history. What you'll notice is that this chat history is new and different from the previous project I was working on. So anytime you switch projects, it will refresh. But I'm just going to add a simple question to our AI here, which is, how do I run the shading command in Pvcad? And what you can see here is that we have step-by-step instructions, and it gives you the command to run that shade analysis and what that shade analysis command does. So again, a really easy way of learning Pvcad is just through our AI tool that we just came out with, and we're really excited for you to use. Of course, if you want a longer live demo, please reach out to us, and we'd love to get on a call with you and tell you about our AI features. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and thank you.